It's done.
This is the last episode of the vlog.
Cheers. It's about 3:30 in the morning. I'm feeling remarkably awake, so I thought I'd try and use the time productively. So I'm just sitting at the desk doing some work, and this is the situation I'm currently dealing with. Yeah, work's changed a little bit since this little guy came.
It's been a little while and I wanted to update you with what's been going on. This week has mainly been trying to get the Design Cuts chalk pack finished, and it's so close now as I'm recording this. I've just got a few of the previews to finish and a little bit of videos to film, and then just organising all the files, and then that's ready to go. Really excited about getting that out there. It's going to be the end of an era. I think there's definitely going to be a bottle of something fizzy opened once those files are sent. And what else has been going on? It's a nice sunny day, and as Christmas is approaching, I'm starting to get a few more inquiries from some of the pubs and bars that I've been doing work for. So one of the pubs that I did some work for down in Somerset during the summer have got back in touch about their Christmas board, so I need to contact them and try and arrange it as soon as possible. I also have private commissions to work on, which is good, and also another project that I need to get in touch with someone about today to start discussing, which is a sign writing project. And also the unboxing videos for Design Cuts, which I'm going to do one now.
Hi Design Cutters, my name's Joanna Fallon, I'm a graphic designer, and we're here today to do an unboxing video for one of the latest products on Design Cuts digital marketplace. Hello, it's about coming up to 1 o'clock in the morning, and I'm trying to record a little tutorial video for the chalk pack, the last little bits that I need to finish off, and I thought by doing it in the middle of the night it would be a little bit quieter outside on the main road, but as you just heard, it's not, so I'm going to have to see what I can do. And it's just a couple of little bits left now, and then hopefully get all the files sent off in the next couple of days, and then that's it. It's done. Oh my god. It's been a long time coming. So I'm gonna get this all filmed and done, and then hopefully I can go to bed and get it all finished off tomorrow. Exciting times. Where is everyone driving to at this time of night? It's ridiculous. I do feel like I'm wearing an insane amount of makeup for 1 in the morning on a Monday. Maybe I should just not do this video and just go out. And that is a very quick example of how to use some of the elements in the pack. I really hope you have fun with it. Okay, it's 4 in the morning and I'm done for the night. I'm going to get a few hours sleep and then get it all finished off tomorrow. It's 1:30 in the morning, but do you see that there? That is the last preview image for the chalk pack, which means it's done. It's finished. I was gonna, it's like the end of an era. But I'm gonna go to bed. I need to get up fairly early just to zip all the files and send them over in one big bunch, because the Design Cuts have been getting them in little drips and drabs, so it's probably not the most easiest for them to process. I sound like I'm getting a cold right on cue, so I'm feeling pretty good right now though, and I think I'll feel even better once I've hit the send button. So yeah, it's finally it's a good feeling. And this is what finishing a project feels like. Cheers. Good morning. It's about 5:30 on a Tuesday and I'm up and showered at this crazy hour because I'm going over to the Swan in Wedmore, which is about an hour and a quarter's drive away. And they are the pub that I did quite a bit of work for over the summer, and I need to go back to do some of their Christmas stuff. It's been a long time in the arrangings, lots of kind of missed calls and emails and a bit of miscommunication, hence the rather sudden early start because I've not had much time to prepare. So I'm gonna get my coffee down me, get changed, get prepped, and then hit the M5.
You don't mind that we're up so early because you got fed soon, didn't you? Whoa, 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 whoa. Belated Happy New Year. It's been a long time since I last spoke to you on the previous episode, and obviously quite a few things have happened since then. The main one being that the Design Cuts chalk pack has finally launched. Anyone who's been following the vlog for a length of time will know that this has mainly been charting the development of that product.
We're doing a product with Joe, and it's going to be a chalk effect pack.
And me kind of very badly time managing it, and it's just taken a long time, so it's fantastic to finally get it out there because it's my first digital project as well, and I had the opportunity to go and visit the guys at Design Cuts at their offices on the launch day, press the publish button. So if I click that, it goes live?
Apparently so.
Dun, dun, dun.
Might take a second.
Yes, a suspense.
So let's have a look.
That's all right. Check my legal limit.
Ta-da!
It's there! Oh my god, it's actually happened.
Yay!
And see the first sales come in and kind of be there and see how it all happened. And that was really exciting, and doing all the lead up and marketing and promotion towards that, and like doing webinars and doing Q&A sessions was really good fun. And seeing what a fantastic reception it had on the launch, and it's incredible. It's really heartwarming, it's really encouraging, it's really motivating. I just want to say thank you to anyone who's bought the product and left positive comments and feedback and words of encouragement. It's really kind of given me a real boost to be producing more digital products in the future as well. So that's going to be my main focus for this year. Another thing that I need to mention as well is that this is the last episode of the vlog. If you have been following regularly, you may have noticed been quite a significant gap since the last video, and that's because I've been doing more work with Design Cuts in terms of producing content like products and the unboxing videos, so I'm still going to be working with Design Cuts. I've also been doing this video series for over a year now. It started about mid-2017, I think. Hello Design Cutters, my name's Joanna Fallon, I'm 33 and I'm a graphic designer here in the Cotswolds, UK. And in the year that's gone, I've learned so much about starting my own business, promoting and marketing it, and learning how to position yourself in a niche, and generally getting experience and gaining clarity on the things that you want to do and don't want to do, which I think is really important. One of the main things that I've learned from the past year and what I want to take going forwards is that I'd like to start producing my own products more again, creating my own designs, opening a print shop, and exploring the more illustrative and design side of things again, as well as the lettering work that I've been developing. I still love doing sign writing, I like doing the chalkboards. What I've learned though is it's not the most sustainable approach for me. So although I will still continue doing work with clients and going on location and searching for work in those areas as well, I'm going to start shifting my focus more towards things I can produce here, things like the digital products, which have been so well received and are really fun to do, and starting to produce more of my own products. So actually going back to the more graphic design and illustration side of things, which is where I was originally. And I do have tentative plans to incorporate some kind of video content along those lines as well, so keep an eye out. So this is me signing off now. It's been a really useful experience doing video. I'd say for anyone who's questioning doing anything like a vlog or video content is to do it. It's hideously scary at first, but then you soon get used to it. You kind of stop caring a little bit what everyone else thinks. And you just try to produce good stuff and be honest and share your experiences, because people do find it useful. And the feedback I've received has always been so genuine and heartfelt. It's really nice, and people on the whole are nice and appreciate what you do. And finally, thank you for following this. Thank you for watching. Everyone who's sent any kind of words of encouragement, and it's when you do get feedback and comments and people reaching out to you saying that something has helped them, or it's just nice to see someone going through the same thing that they are, which is what's made this whole experience worthwhile. I really do genuinely thank people for watching and sharing, and I hope it's been useful and informative. And you can find me on social media. Stay in touch, say hello, and hopefully, as I say, this isn't a goodbye, but see you later. I wish you a very happy, creative and successful 2019. I hope you've enjoyed this week's vlog. I'd love to hear from you, so please do share your questions and thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this week's video, please do give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to Design Cuts YouTube channel for more fantastic content.
Are you quite happy there? I'm trying to eat my jumper.